This video I'm showing you how to use and manage this simple event tracker. So first you need to put the year here. So as I mentioned, this tracker will work for any year. So you can use this template for any year. Just copy the template and use for the next year or so. Then this section, you can see the total event based on this data entry section. This will update automatically, and here you can see a table where you can see your events by category and how many of them, and a graph here, and this pie chart will show the amount of events by the event category. So first, in the data entry section, you need to put the event name, whatever you want to write here, and from here you can select the start date and end date. So double click here and set the date. The same way you can select the end date, double click and select the end date. Then you need to select the event category. So we have total 9 category. So based on your event, you need to select the event category. So I'm selecting personal event, then event type. So based on this event category selection, this event type will generate automatically. So now we can see only the event type on personal event. So if we change the category, for example, we are changing to travel events, and then you will see the list will update automatically. So you need to select the any of this event type, and you can also put the node if you want. And based on this data, this top section will this stat section will update automatically. The next tab is calendar. So here you can select, as we select 2026, so we can see only the month of 2026. So if you change the year, then this list will update automatically. So we are selecting here May, for example, and the calendar will generate automatically for the May 2026. So if we, for example, change to July, then you see the date will generate automatically here, and this calendar will show the event from here. So based on start date and end date, event will show here automatically. At the moment we don't have any July event, that's why it's showing the blank. And if we select, for example, November, so you can see the date will generate automatically. So this calendar will work for any year based on this year input. We have May data, so just I'm selecting May. Then you can see those events are showing here. So 14th of May we have gym workout, and 15 exam preparation. So we can see here exam preparation start from 15 May to May 25. That's why we can see start on 15, then 16, and from 17 to 23, and till 25. So you can see these are marked automatically. And if we have one day event, then those are also showing here. If we have multiple events on the same day, that also appear on this calendar. And here we can see the total events for this month. And if we select June, so this will update according to the data from here. So as you can see, for example, yoga session on 1st of June, here is a yoga session. If we change to, for example, we have 2-day sessions, then select the second day end date, then you can see here is update automatically yoga session for 1st and 2nd of the June. Next we have the event check. So this is a small dashboard to review the events. So we have option to select the start date and end date, and then this box will show the number of events for the selected date. And we have the we can also filter this dashboard by event category and event type. So for example, we want to see only the event type, personal events. If we select, then this dashboard will show the personal event only. And if we select all, then we can see all. And if we change the event type, for example, we want to see check the flight, flight, then we can only see the flight. We select all, then we can see the all. For example, we only want to check the event from 1st May to 18 May, then this will update automatically. So from here you can just customize with you just filter the dashboard to see a specific date or a range of date or a category or category type events. So you have date selection and event type and category selection to filter the events here. The next tab is control. So if you want to change the event category or event type as per your need, you can do that. If you change any of this category or remove, you can do that. If you want to add more, then you can do that. And if you change anything, you can do that. That will reflect here. So for example, if you want to add a new category, event category, for example test, and if we add a event type like ABC, then you will see those will appear here. Here's a test and then ABC. This way you can customize your event category and event type if you want. So that's it. If you have any question or any queries, just let me know. I will reply back and will give you more explanation. Thanks.